Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amos, and today we are going to learn how to use semi-automatic machines. This washing machine is divided into three parts. First, it's have power connection cable that you use to connect power. Second, it's have a tap that you use to connect water, and third, it's have outlet pipe that you use to let out water from the machine. First of all, this machine is called twin tap semi-automatic machine because it have two tabs. Actually, the first tab here it's called washer. We use it to wash the clothes. And the second tab here it's called spinner. We use it to squeeze our clothes after washing. This machine here it have control knobs which help us to execute the command of the machine. First knob here it's called wash timer. We use it to set the time that we use to wash our clothes. And our second knob here it's used to set the friction of the clothes. First of all, we have normal friction, that is the normal washing process, and the second one is a gentle friction, which we use to wash softer clothes like cotton, silk. And the third command in our second knob is drain, which we use to drain water out of the washer tub. These two knob here, we use it in the first tab, and the last knob here it's called spinner's knob. We use it to set the time that we use to squeeze the clothes. This part here it's called water supply selector. It is used to let in water into different taps. First of all, we have the washer parts that this part should be in the left side. And secondly, we have the spin tab. When you are letting in water, you take that thing to the left side.